folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Because we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
7 must-try life hacks to stop your neck pain now. Boy, when we say life hacks, it kind of sounds like we're young kids now, doesn't it, Brad?
Life hacks. I had to think about it for a while, Bob.
So a life hack, for those of you who may be a little older, I mean, it's a common term now that's used by a lot of people, that it refers to a trick, a shortcut, a skill, or some novelty to try to increase productivity or efficiency. But they've kind of using it for everything now. Like
right.
Life hack solutions for, getting your dog to sit or poop or eat. I don't know. Now, there's all sorts of things. So anyway, if you are new to our channel, I'm going to segue right out of that one. Please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, go over to Facebook. Hit that button too and like us, because Brad and I, we were unliked as children. Let's just say that, and now we're trying to turn things around.
I was just trying to visualize doing a life hack to get your dog to do the
do the thing.
That'd be a good video.
I'm sure there is one out there on it too. So, all right, these are some things you can try, and they're real simple, and they're with stuff you have at home, mostly.
And this is for the neck pain.
Right. So one of the best things you can generally try with neck pain is to work on extension. A lot of people are lacking what we call cervical extension, and Brad's going to go ahead and demonstrate. You can try it first without a towel, but generally a towel works best.
Yep, gives you some support. It's more comfortable. Take your glasses off first, if they're getting in the way. And then this is one of those things where I've heard over the years, oh, you're not supposed to stretch your neck back like that. You're going to hurt something. And it's just not true.
No, it's not at all. In fact, most people that we see with neck pain, they are lacking that motion. And once they regain it, a lot of times their pain goes away. So
it's very
that's the
common.
number one thing we'd have you try.
Right. But, it does, if you have pain with that, get your towel roll out so it's comfortable. Get in a chair you can lean back and just support here. Usually low on neck, it can be higher. Whatever makes the neck feel better and gives you more range of motion. Relax. Good. Get that nice and focused, Lonnie. I want to make sure there. I shaved this morning.
Why would they do that?
I don't know, Bob, why anybody would. There, and these are just some variations that I'm showing. But
if you can do them without the towel, fine. I mean, if there's no pain with it, but generally a lot of times, I'd say majority of people I have start with the towel.
Yeah.
So
and
now,
go ahead, carry on.
Let's take away the tension from Brad for a little second here. Let's say you find out your extension's fine, but you are lacking rotation to some extent.
Sure.
So instead of working on that, you'll work on this. So you're going to take a towel. This is more complicated now.
Yeah.
So you're going to get a towel, and you're going to have a towel that has that what we call selfage, a little liner on the edge of it, a little.
Someone will comment because we always pronounce it wrong, but that's all right.
What you're going to do, good posture, and you're going to take it, and the towel is situated right below my ears like this, and the edge of the towel is up a little bit around by my eyes.
Sure.
So I'm going to work on turning this way. Now you can start just by doing this, just to get it warmed up. But eventually what you're going to want to do, you're going to drop this arm down and you're going to switch hands. I switch hands and now I go like this. And this works out really good. Try not to bring this shoulder with. This shoulder should stay back. Sometimes you even hook it around something to keep it there. And don't go like this. This is going down, and this is going across.
There you go.
Great one to work on rotations, and you can obviously do it the other way too. So I'm like this. I'm going to drop this one down. I switch, and I pull it across. This stays up right on by the eyes.
Yep.
Not down here. Up by the eyes. Cross over like this. Great stretch for rotation.
Yeah. It's amazing what that support around the neck gives. A lot of support, and it feels good. Always get better rotation with that towel.
Next one, number 3, you definitely want to raise up your screen no matter what it is. Let's say it's your phone, laptop, or desktop. We'll start off with the desktop. This is, probably one of the #1 causes of pain in society today is, just as Brad's demonstrating there. So it's such an easy solution here. You just got to raise up the screen.
So if I'm looking straight ahead, the screen should be level with the eyes roughly. But if you could take anything, put it underneath there, and now all of a sudden I got 4-inch spacer in there, and I'm once voila.
You could probably be even a little higher.
Yep, could be.
So,
So right there you go, and then the keyboard. It's nice to have a keyboard low as opposed to up here.
yeah, ideally you want to have your upper arm vertical.
Sure.
You don't want it forward. So this is what I use at home. I have a laptop, what is that, a lap holder? I don't know what a lap.
Yeah. They got a nice little cushion on the
Yeah.
bottom, and it kind of sticks to your legs, and it's comfortable, and you put that there, and life is good. So you can see how my posture just naturally is good this way versus the other way. It pulls you forward when this is down.
So how about if we have a
laptop?
laptop?
This is a really good idea, because here, to get this up higher, I'd even want to get this higher. I don't have another block. You want to get another block
Sure.
out of there? So here, obviously, here we're really low. I mean, really low. This is better, but, and this, you know, people might think, oh, he's crazy, that's too high, but that's where it needs to be.
Yeah.
But then with a laptop, you're like this, and this is no good. Okay, so screen is right, simple solution. Go buy yourself a wireless keyboard. They're quite cheap. I bought one for just a little over $20 for mine. And then you can get back to your voila, perfect ergonomic setting, help that neck pain, keep that neck in good posture.
This seems like a lot of work, but I'll tell you, once you start getting pain from this type of situation, you will pay the devil a toll in order to get out of it, because it's very, very painful when it starts hurting.
And you do not need to spend a lot of money for this.
No,
Do what you need to get this up higher, and then you do need to get a wireless keyboard for the laptop.
So the final thing is, of course, your phone, and you know, this is such an easy solution too. Just bring the phone up here, use the short arms with the Tyrannosaurus Rex arms, right?
Right,
You know,
if you
and
watched, what was the name of that movie?
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic, yeah, watch
So-
that movie first.
Yeah, I'm sure the dinosaur was watching the phones all the time, wasn't
Yeah.
it? So anyway, you want to have it up like this. I can't tell you how many people I see. We had a student here a couple weeks ago, and he was like this.
Yeah.
I mean, literally like this. I couldn't believe it. I was like,
How many hours a day is
Oh.
that person like that, huh?
so. All right, number 4. This is kind of a weird one, but this is, you know, I'm going to give you some relief. We're talking about life hacks here. Take a sock and roll it up, and we may even take 2 sets of socks and roll them up, so you have a pretty good wall there.
Yeah, bolster.
And I'm going to put it right on. Do you mind if I show it on you,
Yeah,
Brad?
go ahead.
Right around where there's a big bump right here. That's C7. I'm going to put it right around there.
Yep.
Because that's the part that tends to start sticking out. If you got that neck hump, you know, you're going to put it right over the neck hump. And
What's the new word for that? Eye hunch?
yeah, eye hunch, yep. So you can put that down. You're going to lay on the carpet with it, and you're going to lay right over the top of it at that C7 level. And then I'm going to bring my head down. And then while I'm in this position, I'm actually going to do angels.
Oh.
And I'm actually pushing my arm into the floor.
So he's looking, oh, can you see me? This is, if you looked at him from the top, did I say
Yeah.
that right, Bob? If you
think
look
so.
from the top view, this is what his arms are doing, but you want to keep your elbows flat to the floor, which promotes that and really forces that proper posture.
Yep, and it's strengthening the muscles that are going to, and then once you get up, you're going to feel like you're, you know, really in good shape, in good posture,
Right.
because you just worked on it.
It really does a good mobilization to that upper
It
thoracic.
does. It feels good, and it serves a lot of purposes.
And it's cheap.
Another one you can do is just self-massage. Do you want to maybe show that in that chair, Brad?
Sure.
So you just go ahead, and I would go ahead, and it's just amazing. Especially this one is really helpful if you're getting pain, what we call in the suboccipital area, right where the base of the neck, where the neck meets the head, the skull. That's the part that if you just go ahead and you can do some circles, you can do some splaying. Brad, do you want to show how that's done? Yeah.
Oh, yes. Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah.
All the way down the neck. You can do the
It's
splaying.
a simple concept, but again, it's a little life hack, easy to do, and you know, you don't need any equipment to do so,
And
except you need
you
hands.
could even drop this into the combo, 2 for 1. Once you get down here, throw a little neck extension.
Sure.
Voila.
Get neck extension and massage at the same time. All right, now we're going to talk just a couple of things that you can do for sleeping. One, you can actually take a rolled up towel and put it in the pillowcase like this. And this provides you kind of a makeshift, one of those neck pillows almost. You got some support for the neck as I'm laying down here on my back like this. You can see it fits into the gap there. And you're going to try this, see if it helps. If it doesn't, don't do it. Or you might try different sizes of towel. But even if I lay on my side here now too, it fills in that gap.
Right.
Usually when you lay on your side, you do want to have a little bit of a thicker pillow because you don't want your head going like this. You want your head in neutral. So it's, it's straight across here as it runs off your body here. So
They do make actual neck rolls for this. They're a little softer, but I would try a towel roll first if that works, but it's a little hard. Then you can go ahead and
we have those listed in our Amazon section below it as preferred products that we like. Now the other thing you can try, and I've had some people that have had good luck with this, you take a pillowcase, you fold it in half, fold it in half again, and then you make a little neck collar out of it.
Sure.
And it just gives a little support for the neck at night. And you take it around, you can tape it in place or pin it in place. Be careful if it's a pin. And it just gives you a little support, kind of keeps your neck from maybe doing this all night or like this all night. Kind of reminds you to keep it in that neutral area.
This is one of those remedies that is like from great grandma, and it's kind of got shuffled off to the side, but it's
coming back now.
It started for a good reason, it's because it works. So
that's right.
You can't go wrong with it. Be careful.
Okay.
Bob.
All right. We want to thank everybody for watching, and once again, remember, hit that subscription button.
Oh, there you go.